Hey, I want to share with you today the top 3 things I really like about these rough country Molle panels. Number 1 is their durability. They're made of steel. They're nice and strong. You can hang things on them and not worry about it bending or tie down to it. They're very durable, very strong. That's the first thing I like. Second thing I like is the finish on these. Try to get in close here. You can see this, that they're painted black, but they have this, they're powder coated. So that's very durable and it gives it a nice looking finish to it as well. And the third thing I like is the installation. It's just simple 1, 2, 3 bolts up on top, and it does come with the ability to add 2 more down low. A couple of additional features that I'd like to point out is that the versatility of hanging things on it. This is a bracket that's attached to that Molle panel. You can use straps. You can even use some carabiners on there as well. Other nice additional features, if you have some truck bed lights, it doesn't totally block those. You still get the benefit of those as well. Now, these Molle panels are vehicle specific. So these ones here I have on my 3rd generation Tacoma. Just make sure that when if you're interested, get a pair, that you get the ones that fit your specific vehicle.